We just passed the 4-mile mark. Literally just passed it. It's a little swampy over here most times. Has a swamp, odor of swamp in this area. A lot of areas smell like pee too for some reason. Distinct odor of pee. Not too fond of that. But this is like the Incline Central area, which is like a slow, gradual uphill walk. And then all of a sudden, there's a actual hill, and it goes straight up. Look, there's ski down this thing. Then it's not too bad after that. There's only a slight incline in the back stretch, heading toward the finish wire. But right now, this is straight up incline. Like an actual hike. This is why it's easier to sit on the couch watching TV, eating a pizza pie. Because who wants to do this, right? But when you get results, I guess, you feel better, you look and feel better, so it keeps you going. Tells you, you know what? This is what you got to do, man. Sitting on that couch, eating pizza pies is just killing you. Not getting you anywhere. Oh, this is a doozy of a mountain right here. See, the footage doesn't do it justice. You have to physically be here. Because I'm looking down and I can see it doesn't look too hilly. But in person, it looks like I'm climbing Mount Everest here. I guess you could kind of tell here, once I hit the top, that it's a sudden decline, then it goes downhill. I'm at the peak right now, that's it. It's all downhill. That definitely gets your heart rate up though. Gets mine up to like 140. No more of that nonsense, for today at least. Like breather time on this downhill walk here. Well, for anyone who doesn't like going to the gym to do cardio, or you find it boring to walk around your neighborhood, I figure this would be a nice, sweet alternative, as long as you're willing to drive out here to Howell, New Jersey here. Seems to be open every day of the week. I think they close at 9 p.m. During the fall and winter, I think they close at 6, possibly 5. The darker it gets, or the earlier, when it gets dark earlier, they close earlier, of course. But this time of the year, it's daylight later, so they close at 9, I think. And strong pee odor right here in this spot. I don't know if thousands of people pee on the ground here or from animals or what it is. Maybe it's a plant that just has that smell. Strange. It's peaceful though. Hopefully in another month I'll lose another 20 some pounds. That would be pretty sweet. As long as I keep this up. Stay away from eating bad stuff. And trying my best. I mean, I've been doing good with that. Just don't do a lot of eating. So at times, I feel like I'm starving myself. I'm so hungry, but I'm not starving myself because I know that's not good to do. I do eat, but then I'm like still hungry. But I tell myself, hey, I just ate. Like, are you gonna eat like 3 dinners here? So I just deal with it. Eventually go to sleep. Wake up and eat then. I know enough about nutrition and the do's and don'ts of weight loss and muscle gain. I'm no nutritionist. I'm no like master at it, of course, but I have a pretty good concept of it all. Good idea. The do's and don'ts from my own experiences. Just doing what I'd done in the past, even though some of the things were extreme, like the 10-mile running 10 miles. That might have been a little extreme at times, but that's where like the OCD came into play. I told myself I have to do 10 miles or I'm not doing it right. Right over here you get a couple of turtles that lounge on a log. I'm gonna see if they're out. They usually are. I didn't see them late last night. They weren't out, but they may be out now. Seems they have to come out when the sun's shining bright. I'm trying to get some sun, probably warms them up and stuff. Yeah, one's out. Maybe I'll zoom in on this guy. Usually it's like a family of them, like babies and stuff. You see one of them right over there. Big guy. Oh, maybe that's not a turtle. Now like a total bonehead. This is a log. But then again, it could be. I know that's the log they hang out on. Let's see. I'll get some crowds over here. We're approaching the finish line now. One more incline hill over here. Straight up. There's the incline hill right here. I'll probably slightly tell in the video here. Straight up. Guy here can eat my dust. So annoying. Dude standing there like leaning on a piece of tree or something, reading a Bible. As soon as I approach him, as I head on up and walk beside him, go past him, that's when he decides to say, oh, might as well proceed here. And he's like lingering all around you, hovering around. It's like trying to shake this guy off here. Picks the perfect time to start walking again. As soon as I start coming. I'm like radar. Like people are like radar. They're just like, oh, here he comes, let's go. Buzz off, dude. I'm back to reading the Bible. The sun at log over there. Read away. Now I usually here toward the end, which this is practically end of the road here. I'm getting there. I make a right here and go this way, walk beside the water. And there's another bridge over there. Little bridge you go over. You have the water to your right, and you have the trees to your left. And that takes you right to the parking lot where the cars are. The parking lot I parked in. But I'm going to head this path, which takes you to the actual 5-mile marker. So it shows proof. Oh, that was 5 miles. I'm sure walking the other way, it's the same thing, but it just doesn't have the mile marker. I'm just trying to show the mile marker. That's all. But the other way, which is pretty much runs parallel to this road here, on the other side of these trees, where you walk beside the water instead of just walking beside trees and trees, that's the more scenic route. I like that way better. And like I said, I'm only going this way for the purposes of the video. Show the 5-mile mark. That's that. Oh, there's a deer right there. Just standing there. I ain't messing with him. Just randomly standing there. I wanted to catch footage of a turtle. I love seeing a turtle just roaming around. I don't think that was a turtle in that video. That was like just a branch that looked like one. But that's usually where a family of turtles lounge, hang out. Especially during this time of the day. See them almost every day. end of the road up here. Yeah, why not? One more guy buzzed past me before we end here. Ten to 6, that's good. Get out of here by 6. I don't know what that lady just said. Could have been hello, but it sounded more like an animal sound. She made an animal noise. All right, well, here's the 5 mile mark down here. Past this trash can. That's it. That's that. Take this little path here to the parking lot. Otherwise, I probably would have been to my car by now, because the scenic route that ran parallel to this finish line area is exactly where my car is. But it's cool. No more walking, ain't gonna hurt. That's the parking lot. Where that outhouse is over there. That's where the other roadway would have came out to. Which, like I said, would have been closer to where cars are. All right. It's that.